Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we will be looking at how you can do calculation and use formula in Microsoft Word. Just like spreadsheet, word processor like Microsoft Word have inbuilt formula and functions that you can use to perform calculation, find average, find largest value among others. Today I want to look at some function and adding values in a Microsoft Word table. To perform calculations and use those formula and function, your values to be used must be entered in a table. To insert a table, click on Insert tab, click the down arrow under the Table button. Click Insert Table and enter the number of rows and column and then click OK. In the table that we have just created, enter the data as shown in the screenshot. Now let's start by finding the total marks for each learner. There are two ways to do that. 1. By using sum function, that is equals sum, left, this will add all the numeric value to the left of the current cell. I am using Office 2013 and to start click on the cell where you wish to get totals, on the layout click formula. By default the sum function will be active, change where appropriate. Note that equals sum, left, will sum all numeric values on the left of the current cell while equals sum, above, will add all numeric values above the current cell. Also you can use equals sum, right, to find totals for cells to the right of the current cell and equals sum, below, to find totals for cells below the current cell. Just like in spreadsheet, you can use cell reference inside your formula, for example. Equals sum, C5H5, to find total for values in cell range C5 to H5. The second way to find total is by using a formula, for example equals C5 plus D5 plus E5 plus F5. That marks the end of today's tutorial. Make sure you have done some practice. Stay tuned. Tomorrow I will be uploading a video on finding average and product using Microsoft Word. Comment on this video, like, share with your friends and family. Please hit that subscribe button. Subscribe for more tutorials.